Electric versus cast iron waffle makers. Which one gives you the crispiest, fluffiest waffles? I always want to be prepared in case of emergency or if we lose power. So of course this Christmas, I got a cast iron rotating waffle maker to use on our gas stove, and I'm so excited. I've tested cooking stainless versus cast iron pans, but now I'm gonna put my electric waffle maker against my cast iron waffle maker. Which cooks faster? Which one cooks more evenly? And most important, which one gives us the most fluffiest, delicious waffles? Who will win? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. My kids love waffles. They're literally looking over my shoulder, waiting for me to make these waffles so they can pig out. So let's get started. I've made the exact same batter and I'm gonna let my waffle irons preheat, and I'm going to use ghee as my oil for both the waffle makers. All right, and we're gonna add about a cup of waffle mix, and we are going to start our timer now. Okay, it's been 3 minutes and 30 seconds. The light turned green and we've got ourselves a beautiful waffle from the electric waffle maker. Up next is my cast iron waffle maker. Oil it with the same ghee. Now I've got the same batter, and now I'm just gonna pour it right into my cast iron waffle maker. Based on past experience, this takes about 3 minutes per side. So we're gonna start our timer and see if that's accurate. All right, it's been cooking for 3 minutes on this side, and now we just gotta flip it and let the other side cook. And wait till we hit 6 minutes on our timer. All right, it's been cooking for 6 minutes about. So let's pop her open and see how far, see if she's ready. Oh, probably still needs another couple minutes. All right, I gave it another, probably about 1.5 minutes, and oh, we are golden gorgeous. Let's see the other side here. Maybe this way, there we go. Oh, look at that. We can get this guy out of here. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Look at that. Fluffy, gorgeous, delicious. All right, so here we have our cast iron waffle versus our electric waffle. Very similar, about toasted about the same. However, the depth of the checkers, what is that called? I don't know. It's a lot deeper on the actual mold of the cast iron one versus the depth of the squares on the electric one. But they both look very similar. However, this cast iron one looks like it cooked a little bit hotter and got a little crispier versus this one. However, I probably could have kept cooking this one a little longer. I just pulled this one off when the green line went off, so I pulled it out because the waffle maker told me to. All right, so now I guess I have to taste test it, darn. But as far as looks go, this one's definitely crispier and this one looks fluffier. So I guess I can't say this one's crispier and fluffier. I guess you can't. So let's taste it and find out. We'll start with the electric. Pure waffle, no nothing on it. Let's just rip it off and taste. Okay, these are very fluffy. I mean, chew better. Not very crispy, but very, very fluffy and very delicious. And our cast iron waffle, definitely crispier. Take this piece. Okay. Definitely crispier. They got a strong crunch to them. These are delicious. These are really, really good. As far as crispiest and fluffiest, there is no winner because this is the crispiest on the cast iron and this is the fluffiest with the electric. Now, comment below if you have ever used a cast iron waffle maker, because I'm pretty sure everybody has the electric waffle maker. It's my go-to. It's easy peasy. But this cast iron is super fun to use, and it will definitely come in handy if the power ever goes out and we need to make waffles. The electric's probably easier and more convenient, but the cast iron is definitely more reliable as far as if the power ever goes out. But be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes and fun using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery list, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time! Babe. You're so fluffy, I almost killed myself choking.